Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So this is yet another concept based on circles, right? So here there are certain conditions already laid down. For example, they say that ABD is a straight line. All right. Now we are supposed to find out x as it is evident here. Find x. This is our x. You get it? Now, what next? What do we see in the figure? What we can see in the figure is that 65 degrees, is meant for angle CBD. Now, we ought to be using these informations to be able to reach up to our goal, that is finding the value of x. How should we proceed? Guys, you must have done circle theorem, formulas, or rules related to it. So let us see what we can do with this. Now, if we were to speak about given, we know that first of all AD. Okay. So in the given figure, all right, AD is a straight line. All right. So AD is a straight line or ABD is a straight line because B happens to be sitting on AD. All right. So this we have been given. Also that angle CBD is equal to 65 degrees. Correct? What are we supposed to search? X. Now, let us start with whatever informations we have in hand. Since angle CBD is equal to 65, so can we not say that angle ABC will be the linear pair of 65 degrees? Isn't it? Because after all, AD is a straight line. B is a point on it. So ABC and CBD must sum up to 180 degrees. Correct? Okay. So since AD is a straight line, therefore angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degrees. Correct, guys? We do not know ABC, but we know CBD. So which means or angle ABC plus 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Isn't it, guys? So therefore angle ABC, which is this, is equal to 180 degrees minus 65 degrees, which is equal to 115 degrees. So let me write over here 115 degrees for ABC. Correct? What next? Now the scenario seems little clear now. Why? Because we know this arc AEC. Arc AEC. It subtends an angle of 115 degrees at B. Whereas angle X, this angle X is subtended at the center of the circle by the very same arc. Not clear? Let me explain. If this was the arc, okay, and this is the rest of the circle or rest of the arc of the circle. If this arc subtends an angle at the circumference, this, and if this very arc subtends an angle at the center, okay, so this angle will be 2 times this angle, correct? So what I am trying to say is that arc AEC subtends an angle of 115 degrees at, okay, the remaining part of the circumference, but when the very same arc subtends an angle, okay, at the center, it makes an angle of X, okay, there. So there is still little bit of explanation left, which you will know as I will write the steps, because this is the reflex angle of AOC. All right, are you getting my point? Correct. So let me just write it down over here. Since we know that, okay, ABC, 2 angle ABC is equal to reflex angle AOC. Why so? Because, okay, angle subtended by an arc at the center, okay, is double, okay, the angle subtended at any point, any point. This is the arc we are talking about, and this is the remaining part of the circle. So at any point, okay, on the remaining part of the circle. All right. So which means what? That since angle ABC is equal to 115 degrees and 2 angle ABC is equal to reflex angle AOC, therefore reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 multiplied by 115 degrees, which is equal to 230 degrees. And reflex angle AOC is nothing but Rx. Therefore, X is equal to 230 degrees. Is it clear, guys? So this is a very simple one. You need to just visualize that in this figure there is, okay, an arc here which subtends at the remaining portion, it subtends an angle equals to 115 degrees. But when the very arc subtends an angle at the center, it subtends equal to the reflex angle of AOC, reflex angle. All right. We can't be talking about the inside angle because this arc ends up here if you subtend it at the center and from A to O here. Because this arc particularly is more than a semi, okay, circle, so the angle that is subtended is also more than 180 degrees. All right. This is very clear. If I have to draw a line over here, 180 would end here. This is that extra bit, which is why we call it a reflex angle. Clear, guys? So this is how you try to justify and bring the answer. So our answer is 230 degrees. So I hope you don't need, okay, a reinforcement of this as I have gone already very slow, okay, to be able to make you a very clear explanation. So I hope that you have understood. Still, if there is any kind of a doubt, do ask me in the comment section. Okay, so I am going to take over this question, which is very, very important from exam perspective. Okay, all over again and explain you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. Bye bye. Have a great day. Hope your exam goes well. Bye bye.